Hi everyone, welcome to this channel Tutor Talkie. In this tutor, now we are going to see how to build base repo in Solaz 11.4. This is the most important topic that we have been going to see in Solaz 11.4 because using the repository we can able to upgrade or update the patch in Solaz 11. Without that we can't able to upgrade. In this tutor, so now I am going to explain how to download the base repo and how you can build the repo in Solaz 11.4. So let's go now. For downloading the local repository, you want to go to this Google and you want to type as Solaz 11.4 repo build. In this we can see first link Solaz 11 download. Just click that link and here you can see the package that we have need to be downloaded from the Oracle website. So the total size of the package it will be like nearly 10 GB. So you want to be download the link I have been given in the description. You can click the link directly and you can come to this page and you can download the repository for this 7.4 server. So once you download it, then we want to go to putty section. Yeah, now we are in the putty section. So what I have been done, we have been download the repository and I have been kept in my desktop. Then I have been copied that download repository to my server using the FileZilla or WinSCP. So what I can just copy and see the path export/home/siva ls-lrt. See here I have been copied all the downloaded file into that export/home/siva. So now what I can do, I am going to compress all the file into the one of the directory. It will be like /repo. Okay, so now I am going to create a file system. It will be like ZFS create rpol/repo. Yes, ZFS list. Yeah, we have created the file system called rpol/siva, rpol/repo. So now we are going to compress that file into the rpol/repo. Okay, so ls-lrt. See that I am changing the permission of the script chmod +x. Okay, so I have changed the permission. So now I am going to execute the script now. Space -d. So I am just compressed to the directory rpol/repo. Yeah, enter. Yeah, so now what happened, now we are going to compress into the rpol/repo. So it will take further 40 to 50 minutes. So what I can do, I can just pause the video and I will be resume once this file has been compressed into that /rpol/repo. Yeah, now uncompress has been completed. So the file has been moved to the /rpol/repo. So we are going to the /rpol/repo now. ls-lrt. So right, yeah, it has been uncompressed to /rpol/repo. So now we are going to check the version of the package that we has been compressed using the command pkg repo space -s. Mention the file path space list entire. So the version has been copied like 11.4.0.0.1/15. So it will be like base repo of the 11.4 server. So now we are going to set the publisher. So we can check the publisher if already anything is there using the command pkg publisher. Yeah, there's no publisher set. So now we are going to set the publisher pkg set -publisher space -g. This is the file. So I'm giving file colon rpol repo space Solaris. Yeah, now publisher has been setted now. Yeah, set it successfully. So now we can check the version using the command pkg list -af entire. Yeah, now publisher has been set successful. So this is guys, so now we have idea about the how to build repository in Solaris 11.4. In the next tutor we are going to see how to upgrade SRU in Solaris 11.4. so in this tutorial that I am going to lively upgrade the SRU in Solaris 11.4. so if you have any doubt related to the repository rebuild or anything related to repository, please comment me on this video. I will be just check and clear the doubt accordingly. So until then, bye from Shiva.